Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sudarshan Sambajirao Pedge, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Kalasasharasika Mahavidyalaya Devani, your zoology companion, and welcome to new lecture. So today we are going to learn about paper number 7th, Biochemistry, framed by Swami Ramanand Tirthi Marathwada University, Nanded. Let's get started with first chapter in the first unit. The title of chapter is Classification, Structure and Properties of Carbohydrate. So first I have closed front camera because interrupted. Question may arise in your mind, what is meant by biomolecules? Biomolecule is also called biological molecule. Any of numerous substances that are produced by cell and living organism called biomolecule. What is biomolecule? Biomolecule is also called biological molecule. Any of numerous substances that are produced by cells and living organism called biomolecules. Okay. Again, one question arises: how many types of biomolecules? There are four major types of biomolecules. First is the carbohydrates, second one is the protein, third one is the lipid, and fourth one is the nucleic acid. I have added one picture. Is the biomolecule brothers is there. Carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and nucleic acids. Okay. So first of all, we have seen in this lecture, or today we focus on carbohydrate. We know very well carbohydrate is the most abundant biomolecules on earth. Carbohydrate each year photosynthesis converts more than 100 billion metric tons of CO2 and H2O into cellulose and other plant products. We know very well certain carbohydrates such as starch and sugar are a dietary staple in most parts of the world. It means that the starch and sugar we have used in food, as well as polymers of carbohydrates play an important role in the structural and protective elements in the cell wall of bacteria and plant and in the connective tissue of animals. Other polymers of carbohydrates also used lubricate the skeletal joints and participated in the recognition and adhesion between cell. Okay. So carbohydrate is also called polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. Polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketone. Okay. I have added two pictures. That is, the first one is the glucose structure, and another there is the glucose and fructose structure is there. In that glucose structure you have seen there their hydroxyl groups means OH group. The polyhydroxy means poly means many, hydroxy group, and polyhydroxyaldehyde it is the carbonyl group. Okay, last carbon attach the carbonyl group, it is the polyhydroxyaldehyde. Okay, and polyhydroxy ketone means it is the carbonyl group, it attach in the second carbon atom. You have seen in the fructose structure. Okay, the carbonyl C double bond O, that is the carbonyl group. That carbonyl group is attached in the second carbon atom, and in the glucose C double bond O, the first carbon atom attach the carbonyl group. Okay, that is the main difference between ketones and aldehydes. Okay, so as well as these carbohydrates contain nitrogen, phosphorus or sulfur also. Okay, another classification of carbohydrates. There are three major classes of carbohydrates: monosaccharide, disaccharide or oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. The word saccharide is derived from the Greek saccharon, meaning sugar. Monosaccharide or simple sugar. It consists of a single polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone unit. Means monosaccharide means first one, the single unit of sugar or glucose. The for example, glucose. Okay, there is a single unit of sugars. Okay, it consists of single polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone unit. Okay, the most abundant monosaccharide in nature is the 6 carbon sugar, that is called glucose, D-glucose. Okay, D-glucose, sometimes referred to as dextrose. D means dextrose. Okay, and another, I have put some structure is there. Okay, there are 4 photographs of structures is there, and that you have seen there are representative of monosaccharides. We call it as representative of monosaccharides. Okay, first representative, that is the 3 carbon atom. Okay, 3 carbon atom, we call it as triose. It means triose because it contains 3 carbon atom. Another one is the 4 carbon atom is there. Okay, that is D erythrose. We call it as tetrose. Okay, why? Because it contains 4 carbon atom. Okay, another next one is 5 carbon atom is there. That 5 carbon atoms, we call it as pentose or ribose sugar. Okay, that is the one particular 5 carbon atom is there, that we call it as pentose. Okay, and last one is the 6 carbon atom present in that structure. That structure is called hexose. Okay, and hexose, we call it as that is a glucose. Okay, why? Because 6 carbon atom present in the glucose molecule. Okay, so monosaccharide means single unit of sugar, or it consists of single polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone unit. Okay, so next, second one is disaccharide or oligosaccharide. In that, 2 monosaccharides combine with each other form disaccharide. Means seen in the disaccharide example structure, 2 monosaccharide is there, glucose and fructose. It combine with each other and form one particular bond, that is the glycosidic bond, and that structure is called disaccharide structure. Okay, it means 2 monosaccharide units, okay, called disaccharide. Okay, sucrose is the 6 carbon sugar, D-glucose and D-fructose. Okay, and all common mono and disaccharides have a names ending with O. Okay, you have seen in that figure glucose, fructose, sucrose, lactose, maltose, that is the ending with O's. Okay, and short chain of monosaccharide units, that is 3 to 9, that short chain is called oligosaccharide. If you compare disaccharide and oligosaccharide, that time disaccharide contain 2 monosaccharide units, but in the oligosaccharide the short chain of 3 to 9 monosaccharide. Okay, that is called oligosaccharide, and with the help of non-sugar molecules. Okay, next is polysaccharide. Third one is the polysaccharide. Sugar polymers containing more than 20 or many monosaccharide units. Okay, those contain 20 to many, or 20 or many monosaccharide combined with each other are formed polysaccharides. Okay, some have hundreds or thousands of units. Okay, for example, linear chains and the cellulose, and branched chain is the glycogen. Okay, and another polysaccharides is divided into two types, that is homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. Homo means that is the monomeric species, and heteropolysaccharide means that is the two or different kinds of species. Okay, that is the dimeric or two to more monosaccharide combined with each other, that is the heteropolysaccharide. In that, unbranched and branched homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Okay, so dear student, today we have seen biomolecules, definition of biomolecules. In that focus on carbohydrate classification of carbohydrate, in that monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharides we have seen today. After the properties and structures we will see later on. Thank you.